Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name's AUDI and today is all about the Generation 1 Audi R8 double DIN conversion. So I want to just walk you through exactly what we've done and go through a little bit about the system that we've installed. This is a whole nother level. So this is actually a custom built fascia panel, and we've actually matched the R8 logo with the outside of the vehicle, but with a little bit of a twist. The vehicle has actually been wrapped, and it's also got yellow wrap on the actual R8 logo as well, and that's exactly what we've then mimicked on the interior of the car to give it that perfect touch with blending inside and outside of the vehicle. The unit itself is the Kenwood DMX 8021, so that's wireless Apple CarPlay, wireless Android Auto, all live on that system, which is really nice. The vehicle does also have the Bang & Olufsen sound system, so we've also managed to retain that as well. So I'm going to turn the ignition on. What you're going to get is the Audi symbol up here, and that reads nicely with the Audi R8. Also, what we've got on here is we've color coded the actual buttons to red to match the interior, but you could also have them in yellow or white because there's a couple of different colors on this interior. The unit itself, we've actually managed to retain the seek button here as well as the volume up and down on this side. The unit is fully wireless Apple CarPlay, so you can literally have your phone in your pocket, jump in the car, and then Apple CarPlay will come live onto that screen. The really cool thing about the system is you've got volume up and down here. We've also integrated in a camera as well, so when you select reverse, you actually get the camera image turn on, and there you go, you got the camera image there as well, which looks really smart. And then also on the unit, not only have you got that absolute wicked functionality in terms of Apple CarPlay, that obviously brings up all your maps, as well as load more stuff like phone call integration, and then we've got a little microphone up at the top giving crystal clear hands-free as well in the vehicle. So not only have we added functionality like the reversing camera, integrated that onto that Kenwood system, but also what we've got is retention of a lot of the factory system in terms of that Bang & Olufsen system in terms of audio, but also things like your steering wheel controls. But I mean, just look how great that looks. The finished results are absolutely amazing. The yellow badging matching the outside of the car looks really, really cool as well. So over the moon with the finished results. So if you're interested in having this system installed, drop us a message. All I need is a couple of pictures of your interior just to confirm everything, then we'll send you back over a full price and different options like adding the reversing camera. If your vehicle already has the factory fitted reversing camera, we can actually retain that on this system as well. It'll just come up with the factory reversing camera, but still an absolute awesome little upgrade on this Generation 1 Audi R8, and it looks absolutely incredible. A massive shout out to the body centre in Norwich for referring us client to us. This is the first time he's used us, and I'm sure he's going to be over the moon with the finished results. So thank you once again for watching. All our details is in the description below. I'll see you on the next one.